If you've got the AirPods Pro 3 in 2025, you're already rocking top-tier sound and functionality. But what about protecting them? A good case can protect your AirPods from drops, scratches, and even water damage, plus it can add some personality. Today we're diving into the best AirPods Pro 3 cases for 2025, from ultra-rugged protectors to sleek and stylish options. I've got something for everyone, and I'll be covering key features, protection, and design. Best deals and links are in the description, so let's get started. The ESR for AirPods Pro 3 case is a solid all-arounder, especially if you're after something that offers MagSafe compatibility for wireless charging, along with full drop protection. The case has a rugged design that includes reinforced edges to protect your AirPods from falls, and it also features a lanyard hole so you can clip it to bags or belts for extra portability. With a tough exterior and a soft interior, it's designed to absorb impacts and keep your AirPods safe. One of the things I like about this case is the balance between protection and ease of use. The MagSafe compatibility means you won't have to remove the case to charge it wirelessly. If you're someone who tends to drop things often, this case's tough protection will definitely come in handy. The downside? It's not the most minimal case and it adds a bit of bulk. But if protection is your priority, this is a great choice. Check out the link in the description for the best deal. Next, we have the Spigen Rugged Armor Case, one of the most popular and reliable options for AirPods Pro cases. This case is known for its shockproof protection, thanks to its military-grade protection and premium TPU material that offers great protection from drops and scratches. It's sleek and lightweight, so it won't feel bulky in your pocket or bag, but still provides full protection. The added bonus is the carabiner clip that allows you to attach the case to a bag or keyring, making it super convenient when you're on the go. Another great feature is the textured design, which provides a nice grip so it won't slip out of your hands. The trade-off? It's not MagSafe compatible, so if you're looking for wireless charging functionality, you'll need to remove the case, but overall, for the price, Spigen Rugged Armor offers great protection and portability. Link for best deal in the description. For a fun and quirky option, the Wowwat game case is a silicone cover that brings personality to your AirPods Pro 3. It's designed with a shockproof layer that protects your case from drops, scratches, and bumps. But the real highlight is its playful design. It's got a cool, funny vibe that makes it stand out from the more traditional cases. It also includes a cleaner kit to keep your AirPods in tip-top condition and a keychain attachment, so you can easily carry it around. If you want a case that's not just functional but also makes a statement, this is a fun pick. The only downside, it may not offer the level of rugged protection of more heavy-duty cases, but it does a solid job for everyday use. Check out the link for the best deal in the description. If you want a case that combines both advanced protection and techie design, the ESR Cyber Series is a fantastic choice. This case features a magnetic lid, making it easier to open and close, while still providing strong drop protection for your AirPods. The USB-C charging port is a nice touch for those who prefer USB-C over Lightning, and it's also MagSafe ready, so you can wirelessly charge your AirPods Pro 3 without removing the case. The sleek matte finish gives it a modern look, and the heavy-duty protection ensures that your AirPods stay safe. The downside? While it's protective, it's also slightly bulkier than some minimalistic cases, so if you're after something thinner, this might not be the perfect fit. But if you want premium protection with a cool tech-inspired design, this is a solid pick. Best deal link below. For those who love a clear case that shows off the original design of their AirPods, the elago clear case is a solid choice. It's made from TPU material, so it's shockproof, durable, and comes with reduced yellowing over time. The case includes both a lanyard and a strap, so you can easily attach it to your bag or keychain for extra convenience. It's slim and sleek, offering basic protection against scratches and drops while preserving the look of your AirPods. The only drawback? It's not as protective as some of the rugged options, so if you're looking for hardcore protection from heavy impacts, this might not be your best option. But if you want something stylish, clear, and minimalist, this is a great way to go. Check out the best deal link in the description. So there you have it, the best AirPods Pro 3 cases for 2025. Which case would suit your style? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget, all the best deals and links are in the description. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech gear reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.